Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas County in northeastern Colorado,
for Douglas.
Weld
For
County
Douglas.
in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, Broomfield County in northeastern Colorado, eastern Larimer County, Denver County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Jefferson County, Adams County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 5 p.m. At 3:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Clark to 3 miles east of Tacona to Aurora to 5 miles east of Greenland, or along a line extending from 21
That's the storm
miles
that's right
northeast
near
of
us.
Fort Collins to 24 miles south of Greeley to 10 miles east of Denver
That's
to
for the storm
22
right near
miles
us.
north of Colorado
That's for the storm right
Springs,
near us.
moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. These are very dangerous.
Double header,
storms.
double header.
Hazard 80 miles an hour.
I swear this is a
wind
double
gusts.
header.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying.
I think this might be a
will
triple
dangerous
header.
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable
This might be a
damage to
triple
roofs,
header. Please say it
windows,
is.
and vehicles.
No, it's just
Extensive tree
reports.
damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Denver, Fort Collins, Greeley, Aurora, eastern Lakewood, Thornton, southeastern Arvada, Westminster, Centennial, eastern Longmont, Loveland, Broomfield,
that means me.
Highlands Ranch, Castle Rock, Commerce City, Parker, Littleton, North Glen, Brighton, and Englewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards.